Alright guys, out for a quick evening rip with the Maxx Slash. I was going to get a light kit for Traxxas for it, £120 UK, which is absolutely insane price for lights for an RC car. So I had a look online, went on eBay, found a sort of Chinese brand, don't know what it is. I'll put a link up if I can find it in my eBay checkout. But moulded perfectly to fit in the bumper here, and brake lights at the back. So the installation, I'll take this off just now, was super easy. Comes pre-wired, got a little connector for the front, little connector for the back on a Y branch, put into your receiver. We'll switch her on, which I'll do by plugging the battery in. Here we go, switch her on. Car's firing up. There we go, you can see front lights, rear lights, super bright. Put this amazing body on, still one of my favourite bodies of all time. Nice and easy, one-handed, and look at that. £20 UK over £120 Traxxas for the exact same thing. So absolutely delighted. So now we've got a little rip of the car, let you see it in action. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and I'll see you in another video soon. Catch you later. Paul out.